Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we will practice few questions about standard form, and these are the questions we have already discussed. What does it mean? And now this is first question, that express this value in standard form. As we have already discussed that this value uh, 724, it will be written as 5.724. Now we have to decide about power of 10. As this decimal is moved on this side to make the value larger, this 5 has become larger than the given value. So we have to adjust it with negative power equivalent to 1 to 3 digits. So that will be 10 power minus 3. Okay, second part of this question is evaluate 8 multiplied by 10 power 3 and 3.2 into 10 power minus 2. As they are multiplied, so we will multiply 3.2 by 8. 3.2 multiplied by 8, 8 to the 16, 125.6. So this is 25.6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 3 minus 2. These powers of 10, as base is same, so powers will be added. This is negative, so it will remain negative. Okay, now answer is, you can say that this is the answer multiplied by 10, giving your answer in standard form. Is it standard form? No. Only multiplying by 10 does not mean that it is standard form. So that will be 2.56. When we write it 2.56, this has become smaller. So 1 equivalent to 1 decimal place, it has become smaller. So 1 will be added in the power of 10. So it will become 2.56 into 10 power 2. Now next question. Evaluate the following, leaving your answer in standard form. This is 3.42 multiplied by 10 power 8 minus 9.6 into 10 to the power 7. Now powers are different, and I had already suggested that the smaller power should be made equivalent to the larger one. So this is 10 power 8 minus 9.6. If we increase this power to 8, then as this value has become larger here, so we will make this value smaller from here, so that will be 0.96. And now 3.42 minus 0.96 and 10 raised to the power 8 will be taken common. So it will be 3.42 minus 0.96. So 1 will be carried from here. 12 minus 6, 6. Now this is 3. 1 will be carried from here. and it will become 13. 13 minus 9, 4, 2. 2.46. 2.46 multiplied by 10 to the power 8. So once again I will tell that whenever there is a difference in the powers of 10, then make the smaller power equal to the larger one. It was 8, so make this 8. So as you make it 8, the value is increased. Value here is increased. So if it is increased from the power of 10, you can decrease from here. So this was 9. If you move one decimal place to this side, then this increase in power will be adjusted here. Then you subtract it from here, so that will be 2.46 into 10 to the power 8, because 10 to the power 8 is common now. So this is an easier way to understand and solve this. Now part B. In part B, what we have to do, 5.84 multiplied by 10 power minus 4 divided by 2.0 into 10 raised to the power minus 15. Okay, so what we can do, we will write this value again in this way, 5.8 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 divided by 2 multiplied by 10 power minus 15. Will make no change in this value if it is brought here because of this sign of division. So now it will be, there are equal number of decimal places here, so we can write it, if we divide it, that will be 2.9 multiplied by 10 power minus 4 plus 15. This value shifted upwards will become positive. It was negative 15, it will be positive 15 here. So 2.9 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 11. That will be its final answer in standard form. Okay, next question. This one. Evaluate the following, giving your answer in standard form. This is 7 multiplied by 1.23 multiplied by 10 power minus 4. Most of the times this topic, questions of this topic you can expect in paper 1. There are rarely questions in paper 2 about this these concepts of indices and standard form. So this will be multiplied by 7, 1.23 multiplied by 7. So ignore this decimal while multiplying. 7 3s are 21, 2, now 7 2s are 14 plus 2, 16, 1, 7 plus 1, that is 8. So this will be 8.61. Do we need to multiply 7 with this 10 as well? No, because they are multiplied with each other throughout. If there is a sign of addition, then we would have multiplied. So this will be 10 power minus 4. Okay, this is part A. And now part B. Part B, 0.46 multiplied by 10 power 5 plus 75 multiplied by 10 power 4. Once again, as I suggested previously, that as there is difference in the powers of 10, so smaller power should be brought equal to the larger one. So this will be 0.46 into 10 power 5 plus, if we make it 10 power 5, so the value will become larger, which we can adjust from this side. 75 can be written as 7.5. Now 0.46 plus 7.5 and 10 power 5 is common, so 7.5 plus 0.46, 697. So it will become 7.96 multiplied by 10 to the power 5. That's it. Okay, next question. Here values of A and B are given. We have to find the value of these expressions in standard form. So part A, 3A over 2B, that is 3 multiplied by 6 into 10 to the power 8 divided by 2, as it is given already, this is 2 there, and value of B is 4 into 10 to the power 6. So this is possible to simplify 2 with this number 3. 3 3s are 9 upon 4 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 8 minus 6. 9 over 4, if we divide it, it will be 2.25 multiplied by 10 to the power 2. That is the answer for part A. And now part B. Part B, A minus 3B, then A is 6 into 10 raised to the power 8 minus 3 times 4 into 10 to the power 6. This is 6 into 10 power 8 minus 3 fours are 12 into 10 raised to the power 6. This is 10 power 8. If we enlarge this value to 10 to the power 8, then this value will become 0.12 because we have added 2 in its power. So decimal will move two places from here to this point, so it will be 0.12. Now I think I can write it directly, 6.12 into 10 to the power 8. So this way it becomes easier if you make equal powers, but equal powers in a way that the smaller power should be enlarged. Okay, next, this question. This is similar to that question. Part A, 5xy square. Substituting the values of x and y, x is 2.8 10 power minus 5, 7 into 10 power 3 square. So 2.8 multiplied by 5, that will be 14, 10 power minus 5 multiplied by 49 into 10 to the power 3 to the 6. Now 14 multiplied by 49. 14 multiplied by 49, that is 686. 686 multiplied by 10 power, this will be 1. Okay, we have to give the answer in standard form. So if this value is reduced, then we increase the value from here. So it will be 2 decimal places is moved to that side, so 2 is added here. Okay, next question. I think there is part B. Part B now. 2y over x. 2y over x. Then it will be 2 times value of y. This is the value of y. 7 into 10 power 3 divided by x. This is the value of x. 2.8 multiplied by 10 power minus 5. This will be 7 to the 14. 14 2s are 28. So it will be 0.2. So you can say that this will be 1 over 0.2 multiplied by 10 power 3 plus 5. Actually, this is 14. I write it separately. 14 over 2.8. So 14, you can say that this is 140 over 28. So 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28. Further, if we divide, that will become 5. So I can write it as 5 multiplied by 10 power 8. So that's it. This is the answer. But if you have to give the answer in standard form, then it should be written 5.0 into 10 to the power 8. Next question. Rewrite this number as a decimal. 84.37 multiplied by 10 power minus 4. Okay, look, if we increase this value 10 power minus 4, or you can write this way, 37 divided by 10 power 4. 10 power 4 means 4 zeros. And if we remove these 4 zeros, the decimal will move this way, equivalent to 4 places. 8437. This is this value from standard form, not exactly standard form, but in this form, that is converted to decimals. Now next part B. Part B. 8.3674. 8.3674 into 10 to the power 4 in an ordinary rotation. Express this in an ordinary rotation to the nearest 1000. Okay. Now if we remove this decimal towards right, 83674, its value is increased by 4 decimal places. So this 4 will be balanced by this number of decimal places. Now he says that give this in ordinary notation to the nearest 1000. So 3674. Look, here it is 3000. On the other end, if here it is 4000, then 3674, which thousand it is nearer? Obviously that is 4000, so it will be 84,000. That will be the answer. Okay, now another one. This question, the population of Singapore is recorded as this much in 2005. 2005. In the year 2005, its population was 47000. 3 zeros. 3947 with 3 zeros. Express this number in standard form correct to centimeter in standard form correct to two significant figure. So we express both of them. This one will be 3.947 multiplied by 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in two significant figures, it will be only this one, 2 significant figures. And on the other hand, this is the number 4523. It will be 4.523. Now, what will be the power of 10? 3, 4. As you can see that value is increased, so it will be -4 in order to balance that increase in the value. Okay. The radius of a microorganism, I think these two questions were mixed up, so leave this question. Next question. Given that P is given 9.5 into 10 raised to the power 7. Q is given as 5 into 10 to the power -6. Calculate, expressing each answer in standard form, 2pq. 2pq, that will be 2 times 9.5 into 10 raised to the power 7, and q is 5 into 10 power -6. 2 multiplied by 5, that will be 10. 2 5s are 10. And 10 multiplied by 9.5, that will be 90, or let it be same 9.5. 9.5 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 power 7 and 10 power -6. What we have done, we have changed only these, the product of 2 and 5 equal to 10. Okay, now it will be 9.5, 10 to the power 1 plus 7 minus 6 So it will be 9.5 into 10 to the power 2. Okay, next question. Evaluate each of the following. Part A, 4.2 into 10 to the power 7 multiplied by 2.5, 10 to the power minus 3. Multiplying these two, 25 multiplied by 42. This will be 50 and then it will be 100, 0, 5, 0, 1. Now there was one decimal place here and one decimal place here. We will leave two decimal places and it will be 10.5 into 10 to the power 7 minus 3, 4. 1.05 into 10 to the power 5. That is the answer. I think now you should have got the idea that how these numbers are solved. So these two parts I would recommend you to solve by yourself. So that is the practice questions. These are for standard form. Now in another video we will do similar type of questions from past papers, which will include both the topics indices and standard form. So far, Allah Hafiz.